Hi dear friends, we have another unboxing. This time is from Todos Transfer Express. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. And this is like a promotion designed to win a heat press. Deadline to enter is the 12/31st. The first place is going to win the A2C swing away. The second prize is going to get a craft heat press. And the third place is going to get $100 product credit. And I'm going to put the links in the description box. So this is a Transfer Express marketing kit. And let's start it. So here is a book with the wholesale apparel. And I'm gonna have to go through this like this to show you. Like right here, you can see that they have like their shirts and stuff. I'm going to have to go through this book. Okay, so this is a binder. As you can see, it has my business name, MarielBeadsandBeyond LLC. And this is a 2021 idea book. And right here, there is a sample of all the heat prints vinyls. I think this is like a sample vinyl. This is $10 off of my next purchase. And this is a sample guide, transfer types. So it has good proof elastic prints. In this book, you can see it has also like the transfer types, the temperature, how many seconds, what type of pressure, and if they're peel hot or cold. So this is a lot of information, like materials, colors. There's a lot of information that you get in this kit if you are starting a business. So this is really cool. Let me show you some of the samples that they're sending me. This one says name, number 1, number 3, and number 5. So let's keep going. So let's open this. This is I make custom t-shirts. And I have this t-shirt, and it's from Pueden Company, and it's a size large. So I'm going to be applying this heat press, and I'll show you how it looks. Right here we have the 2021 marketing kit transfer guide. Look at right here, we have all these samples. I believe this is the sheet that you can, as long as it's the same color, I believe, you can fit as many logos you can in one sheet. You just pay the price of the sheet and you can set as many logos you can fit in these sheets. Let's open this one. All these are samples. So all this is ultra color soft. Everything that I have in here, it's right here. So I'm just gonna show you everything that is included here. We have that one. And as you can see right here, it tells you what they are. Like for example, this one, it says creativity, curiosity. It's this one is good proof. This one is good proof as well. So everything that you have in here, it comes with instructions, and it'll tell you for how long you gotta transfer it. Like this one is half time, is this one, and this is glow in the dark. So all these are samples, so they can help you understand how can you utilize the entire sheet. So this one is this one right here. So this is elastic print. Look at this one. This is glitter flake, and I know this one you heat it for 302 for like 12 seconds. So as you can see, you get all these included in the marketing kit. So I'm going to leave the link for stalls so you can go and check it out. Look at this one. And that one is this one right here, and it's good proof. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's gonna look really nice in a shirt or even in a jacket. And that one is ultra color soft. So I just wanted to share with all of you the stuff that I got in the marketing kit, and we're gonna start trying all these designs really soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to go check out the Todos Transfer Express. Thank you, until next time.